Garlic is a commonly used flavoring agent and food product. It is also available as an herbal supplement. Garlic is low in calories but high in nutrients, containing manganese, vitamin B6, vitamin C, selenium, and fiber. It's a natural immune system booster that helps the body fight infection. Why is it good to eat garlic on an empty stomach? Eating a little garlic right before breakfast allows the garlic to be waiting for bacteria and toxins in your stomach. It works as a very strong antioxidant and antibiotic, making it essentially a natural and healthy filter for your stomach. Many people who suffer from hypertension have found garlic to be a relief to this disease's symptoms. Besides being effective for circulation, it also prevents heart problems and aids in proper functioning of the liver and bladder. Some people claim that by consuming garlic on an empty stomach, it was a very good remedy for nerve problems. At the same time, garlic is an effective method for many stomach problems. It stimulates digestion and appetite. It also helps control stress, which prevents stomach acid that is usually produced when you get nervous. Garlic for alternative medicine. Garlic is a potent alternative remedy that has been used for centuries as a treatment for breathing problems and respiratory ailments. Garlic contains natural compounds that promote contraction of the airway muscles in asthma sufferers. The anti-inflammatory properties of garlic promotes histamine breakdown and reduce the release of histamine in the body. Histamine is a chemical released by the body that is involved in a number of allergic reactions and is known to cause inflammation in asthma patients. Garlic also boosts the ability of the body to produce prostacyclins. These are lipid molecules that helps to keep the air passages open and promote easy breathing in asthma patients. For treating asthma, crush 5 to 6 garlic cloves with some water to form a smooth paste. Extract the juice from this paste and take it 3 times a day. Repeat it every day. You can also take garlic tea or consume crushed garlic mixed with warm milk. Garlic reduces the risk of becoming sick in the first place, as well as how long you stay sick. If you often get sick with a cold or flu, eating garlic can help reduce your symptoms or prevent your illness entirely. Garlic also has anti-cancer properties. According to studies conducted by Italian researchers, people who have a diet rich in onions and garlic have a significantly lower risk of developing certain cancers. In a comparison of many Swiss and Italian studies, they compared the relationship between consumption of allium herbs and the development of cancer cells. An increased daily consumption of onions, garlic, and other allium species like chivas and leeks significantly reduce the chances of cancer cells developing in the mouth, colon, breast, ovary, and kidneys. Precautions. You should not use garlic if you are allergic to it. Do not use this product without medical advice if you are pregnant or breastfeeding a baby. Garlic can affect blood clotting and may increase your risk of bleeding. If you need surgery, dental work, or a medical procedure, stop taking garlic at least 2 weeks ahead of time. Other uses of garlic. A small amount of garlic can help fight warts. They will fall off painlessly. Simply crush 1 clove of garlic and soak it up with a cotton ball. Apply it at the night to the warts and cover with a bandage. You'll want to wash it off in the morning to get rid of the pungent odor of garlic. Garlic reduces inflammation, which also helps reduce pain in the tooth. The treatment also helps eliminate infection. so it works to naturally correct the condition. Peel a garlic clove and rinse it with warm water. Then, place the clove in your mouth and crush it with your teeth. As you begin crushing the garlic, you should experience a natural numbing sensation. Garlic has antibacterial, antiviral, and antioxidizing properties that helps to treat the bacterial action on the ear that causes ear infection. It also helps to reduce the ear swelling, pain, and infection. It contains allicin, an antimicrobial property that works against the infection and pain in the inner ear. Take out few garlic cloves from the garlic bulb. Crush or cut it into slices and wrap it in a small cloth or tissue. Place it on the ear and leave it on for at least 30 minutes. Remove the cloth or tissue whenever you got relief from the pain. Do the same process regularly to get relief from the pain and thereby infection.